I'm Don DiSerrano, owner of DiSerrano Wealth Management. DiSerrano is a Grosse Pointe company providing to our clients fee-only financial planning and holistic personal financial strategies. DiSerrano is proud to sponsor the Grosse Pointe War Memorial Summer Music Festival. And we want to thank the Grosse Pointe War Memorial for all of the wonderful things that it does for our great communities of Grosse Pointe.